In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete pages from a PDF and completely for free. Now, the website which we're going to be using is called tinywow.com. Now, I'll also link this down in the description below. But if we come down to here, they have lots of PDF tools. And if we have a look just here, we're going to use this one, PDF Page Deleter. Now, once this is open, all you have to do is drag your files onto the page. So I have this PDF just here. We're going to drag onto the page like so. We're going to give it a few seconds to do its thing. And now it's pulled up all of the pages in this PDF. Now, if I want to delete these, all we have to do is click onto the pages that we want to delete. Let's do this one as well. Up here, we can see that's page 2 and 6. Now, if we want to delete these, we just click delete, give it a few seconds, and there we go. And we can now download our PDF with our deleted pages. We have the option to save to device or save to drive. So we're going to click on save to device. That's now downloaded and that is done. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.